Hello everyone, my name is Syed Mashood, and together me and my teammates have put together a presentation on John Paul Agon, the CEO of L'Oreal. Starting on, the role of a creative leader is not to have all the ideas. It's to create a culture where everyone can have ideas and feel that they're valued, which is one of the most important things. As we move on to the global leadership, a person who gathers people in a group and makes them pursue a vision that is positive willingly, in a fashion that is being organized effectively. On the other hand, nurturing the individuals and growth being collective in a framework categorized through the substantial level of flow, complexity, and the pressure. Cross culture at L'Oreal. The administration that manages the conduct of individuals in the association, which is working far and wide, is said to be cross culture the executives in global world. The representatives and the customers of such administration have a place with various societies and the nations. Introduction to L'Oreal. The L'Oreal Little and Slight organization was set up in 1909 by Eugene Schweller and has heightened the above all else restorative mass on the planet. L'Oreal is an organization which is situated in Paris and makes beautifiers and excellence items. L'Oreal produce items like hair shampoos, sunblocks, healthy skin care products, shampoos, cosmetics, and others. The organization produces beauty care products in the enormous amount around the world. L'Oreal consolidates and incorporates the most recent advances with high characteristics for decisive in lavishness excellence and enchant at the mass with the worldwide prominent items. L'Oreal has one of a kind duty and dependability to inquire about innovation, development, and giving propelled elevated requirement items. Now we're going to introduce you to John Paul Agon. John Paul joined L'Oreal in 1978 after had completing his graduation. Agon had devoted almost all of his life to L'Oreal, a person who was into marketing and had an association with culture and psychology too. Vast challenges started coming his way, one of which was in 1989 when he had been appointed as international managing director of one of L'Oreal's luxury brand, Biotherm. Agon redesigned the whole brand and gave it a new dynamic, modernized it, which helped catch the eye of the international market. Even though having high competitiveness, L'Oreal got a great market share with all credit going to Jean Paul. After having spent more than 3 decades serving the company with loyalty, Jean Paul was allotted as the new CEO and chairman of L'Oreal Group. Jean Paul as a leader. Due to his hard work in leading the company to seeing new horizons, in 2015, Jean Paul Agon had the honor of winning the title of Visionary of the Year. A man who is full of energy, enthusiasm, and is unstoppable. An adventurous man who works hard for everyone to see a better tomorrow. Agon has a strong background filled which reflects his process of carrying out responsibilities. John Paul is a man of principles and a man of action. He used his leadership abilities to make L'Oreal thrive and with international approach. His vision was remarkable, and he would always try to look ahead and comprehend on what challenges L'Oreal would face and acted accordingly. He believed in L'Oreal and its strong moral values. Jean Paul is a man who follows his heart and tries to discover new things and new cultures. He tries to find uniqueness in different human beings and how the different and vast human behavior is. The aura and the vision of this man has made L'Oreal what it stands as today. The organizational culture of L'Oreal. The whole L'Oreal group has a completely diverse organizational structure when compared to its competitors. The management does not ridicule the workforce upon making a mistake. Rather, they are allowed to make mistakes and learn from them. The lower level workforce is allowed to share their spark of new ideas with the higher level workforce directly. The company follows no specific dress code as long as everyone is wearing respectable clothing, and new ways are formed to enhance the bonding between the employees, from which the company is vastly benefited. This kind of behavior is usually importantly followed by some of the emerging companies these days, as employees are what makes the company be able to see new horizons. Management style. An application is made by L'Oreal for the new individuals who have recently started working in the firm and attempting to learn the culture of the organization. The advancements that they have executed upon the assorted variety between the worker is extended them and is getting decentralized. Paul said to the workers that you have your ideas, and L'Oreal workers are invited to focus in for the firm. In this meeting, he has also elucidated that at L'Oreal, each conclusion is a significance. As a rule, no one yet consents to certain something, and afterward the thoughts are cleaned, similar to a precious stone. Following the assessments of worker. The Fit Culture app made by L'Oreal to teach the workers through recordings, writings, genuine errands and tests. These exercises are focused on the innovative and youthful age workers. Employee motivation. How L'Oreal motivates its employees is the workers are inquired about what they might want for their advantage bundle. By making like this tried, they have assembled a solid bond with their workers by tuning in their necessities plus proposals on what might possibly advance the prosperity of its customers. They have devoted a particular spending plan with the goal that the projects can occur, which incorporates Zumba, music, exercises, particularly in support of the workers, yoga, and a crushed society, so the employees be able to invest extra energy used for their personal prosperity. Dealing with challenges. To manage L'Oreal nearby competitors, they have picked one of a kind procedure called universalization. Paul said that L'Oreal is a worldwide organization. Simultaneously, we want it to exist in each market. Contrasts in wants, requirements plus conventions to give in uncommonly structure wondered and meet the desires for customers in each market far and wide. Universalization methodology gets recognized and regard contrasts. L'Oreal drives the globe through this vision. Their key morals are their techniques meant for managing the worldwide test of moral clashes, tending to own the firm's ethics. Paul held that the morals are the mainstays with regard to the way of life. Moreover, initiative of L'Oreal are honesty, respect, courage, simplicity. Paul said to decide on competitive benefit, the firm needs to carry out the company through trustworthiness, regard its workers plus offer significance to the group duty of being a citizen. Teams at L'Oreal. They accept on corporations, which enables L'Oreal to manage the vulnerabilities. Paul called his group legends for L'Oreal. He added that there are some more tasks that a worker is able to do, yet we can't do, and vice versa. It's tied in with being the idol as well as to assist other people sparkle as well. We are prepared to face the addition to be tested for vulnerabilities. A German worker of L'Oreal has expressed that in L'Oreal individual needs to think like a business person inside the firm and disregard its job in the firm, because firm gives such huge numbers of chances to evaluate fresh stuff and permits you to truly be valid on yourself. It might exist somewhat hazardous, yet L'Oreal agrees to attempt you in a protected situation, which is likewise. Amazing that the greater part of organizations doesn't offer chance to the workers. Leader in ethics. The company got various prominent prizes in 2017, which incorporates L'Oreal's work environment, well-being, code of business morals, and endeavors to help gender balance, ensure the environment and advance innovation. World's most ethical firm is awarded to L'Oreal. Alongside this, they have been granted an award for beauty and health business in the industry for 8th time. Agon was granted by the PACE Leadership Grant in 2009, which was in support of the acknowledgement of the organization's assorted variety, straightforwardness, principles, and maintainability. Thank you for your time.